2A family, it's your boy. I'm back. Um, I'm going to call this my compatibility collection. This is some advice for new gun owners, those who are just now getting into the 2A family. Um, Whenever you buy firearms, it's good to have firearms that are compatible, right? For instance, I have a Glock 19X, right? This is my Glock 45. They take the exact same magazines, right? They take the exact same magazines. Take the exact magazines, right? Um, this is my Glock 17. It takes the exact same magazines as my Glock 19X. All right. This is my Shadow Systems XR920. This one takes the exact magazine as my 19X, my Glock 17 extended mag. So all of these, they are empty. All of these take the same. I can get them all in my hand. All of these take the same type of magazine. So if I have a malfunction in one, I can always put that magazine in another one and keep it rolling, right? So again, when you begin to buy firearms, you want to make sure you have firearms that are compatible with each other. All right. Next up, this is my Springfield Prodigy, right? This magazine, the pistol's not clear. All right. This is my Mac 9DS, four and a quarter. This magazine will work in my Prodigy. All right. Not only that, this is my Gerson 2311 CMX. This magazine right here will also work in my Prodigy. So if anything were to ever happen to any of these firearms, my 1911s or 2011s, whatever you want to call them, I can put the magazine in any one of these and I'm still in the game. So again, everything is clear. So you want to make sure when you purchase firearms where there's compatibility, where you can use the same magazines in multiple firearms, just in case you get into a situation, God forbid. And if you have a malfunction, you can always grab another weapon, pistol rather, or even a long gun, and you can keep it moving. All right. So again, right, that's my Prodigy. That's my Mac 9DS. So hey, but again, whenever you purchase firearms, make sure that there is some compatibility with other firearms, because you don't want to get stuck in a situation where you have a malfunction, you can't fix it right away. Hey, you can just grab another one, grab another pistol, keep it moving, slap the magazine, keep it rolling. Anyway, y'all, just wanted to share that with you. You have a blessed day, and if you like watching my videos, please do like, share, and subscribe.